Welcome back to WeightAsk channel, fitness enthusiasts. Today we have got something special in store for you. A powerful lineup of exercises that will help you say goodbye to that stubborn belly fat once and for all. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a workout. Let's get started. Exercise 1. Bicycle crunches. Our first exercise is the bicycle crunch. Lie down on your mat, hands behind your head, and lift your legs off the ground. As you bring your right elbow toward your left knee, extend your right leg out, alternate sides in a pedaling motion. Exercise 2. Plank variations. Next up, we have plank variations, the standard plank, side plank, and forearm plank. Start in a push-up position or on your forearms for the forearm plank. Engage your core and hold the position, keeping your body in a straight line. Exercise 3. Mountain climbers. Time to kick it up a notch with mountain climbers. Begin in a push-up position and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. Exercise 4. Russian twists. Let's keep that momentum going with Russian twists. Sit on the ground, lean back slightly, lift your feet off the ground, and hold your hands together. Twist your torso to the right, then to the left, engaging your obliques. Exercise 5. Leg raises. Last but not least, we have leg raises. Lie flat on your back, place your hands under your hips, and lift your legs up towards the ceiling. Slowly lower them back down without letting them touch the ground. This product is helped fat burning. If you buy this product, click link in the video description below. Ready to say goodbye to stubborn belly fat. Discover the ultimate natural solution for effective weight loss in our comprehensive guide. Dive into proven tips and techniques that will help you shed those extra pounds and boost your confidence. Click the link in the video description to access your path to a healthier, fitter you. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your body and your life. Start your journey today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and share this video with others. For more expert advice on living a healthier life, don't forget to subscribe to WeightAsk channel. Thanks for watching!